What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Morgzila, and I'm back here with another video. So in today's video we'll be doing a weekly market overview, meaning we'll be analyzing or analyze some currency pairs and also analyze some indices and gold for you. So then I'll start with GBPJPY. Last week was a good week overall, and all the signals were posted in my VIP group. So as you can see on GBPJPY, there's not much to look at. As you can see already, I had already analyzed. Actually, we can go to the 1 day time frame. As we go to the daily time frame, you can see that GBPJPY is creating some sort of like it's a head and shoulder structure. Okay, and just take some trend lines. And see this pattern right here on the daily time frame. It's important to always analyze from your daily time frame while going down to the smaller time frames, because daily time frame will show you much clearer charts. It adds confluence if you understand what I mean. As we zoom out, you can see that the market still has to drop. If the market has decided to drop from here, it has to drop all the way to right here, because this is the only previous resistance on the daily time frame. So if the market is to drop, I see it dropping up to that level on the daily, and it can go down to the H4 to look for our next direction. And I just this is last week's trade. So as you can see that at 181.824, around 182, around price 182, there was a resistance. There's a resistant block, as you can see it right here, that I put already, and it's indicating that the market from here, it can actually start reversing all the way to the downside. That's how I planned this. That's how I planned this whole trade. So for next week, I see a selling opportunity, tons of selling opportunities coming in on GBPJPY this upcoming week. Let me dive deeper to the 1 hour time frame. The market made a pattern. Looks like we made another pattern. Take a trend line. Looks like the market created a pattern which is indicating bullish moves, as you can see. So you can't say the market is gonna buy yet. I prefer waiting to see where the market takes us. So what I think here is that as you can see around here where I previously took my profit, where I had this trade, there's actually this support and resistance price sheet around here. This is an already taken trade, so don't let it disturb you because it's an already taken trade. So around here, as you can see, these support zone, support and resistance zone that I think the market might might want to test before it can go up. The market might want to test around here, might come and want to test around this area. Might come and want to test around this area, and then from this area we can shoot all the way upwards to back there, if this makes sense. Yeah, this is another opportunity I see. That on GBPJPY we could be looking for buys. It could be a retracement, then buys. Reason being that the market created a pattern, and when he created the pattern, we had a breakout around here. Let me just remove this. I already screenshot. So as you can see, we made a breakout in this pattern. There's a breakout on this pattern, and this pattern is English. It indicates a bullish move. So what might happen here is that the market it's either going to retest, it's going to do a short retest here. It's going to do a short retest like this, and then we start seeing some bullish moves, like then we might start seeing some bullish moves to the upside. What do you think? I don't know, but this is my own view. This is my own view on the market. So when the market open, you can open short sells and sell till 180.538, and then you might take buys, longs, and then you swing all the way up. You hold the profits all the way up to this zone. Yeah, you hold the profits. You can then hold the profits all the way up to this zone where you are taking a profit, and then you'll be getting your, you can make your stop loss tighter or like that, but I prefer leaving mine like this for now. But then I'd recommend when you're getting next tick in the market, you just set your stop loss somewhere around here, and then you set your take profit target like that. If you can look at this trade, we are looking at a 1:5.96 risk to reward ratio, giving us a 295.4 pips, and we are risking only like 49.6 pips, and we're getting 1.64% gain if we manage to be patient and wait on this trade to play out. But then this is what I see. And then now we are going to the next pair, meaning we are going to GBPUSD This past week I didn't trade GBPUSD, but now I want to trade GBPUSD. This week I want to trade the GBPUSD. But I don't like how it looks. I don't like how this market looks actually. But then let me try and analyze something. A little something. We have a previous resistance there. And then right here, we'll go to our left. See if we have something. Let's see if we have something from the left. Actually, this looks like a previous support level. So it could be resistant on the side, or the market could be aiming to reach this zone before it starts reversing to the downside. Market might be looking to reverse up to this zone before heading to the upside or breaking up to the upside. Let's see. When we look to our left, we can see that there was a previous retest around this area, like here. As you can see from right here, there was this previous retest from this area, and it usually happens when the market bounces off from around this zone. All these retests it happens when the market bounces off from usually from this zone. The market bounces off from that zone, get a retest. Yeah, I expect the market to come down back around here. Expect it to sell till this zone. Actually, this zone. Expect it to sell till this zone. I'm expecting the market to sell till this zone, or this one, or this other zone up here that we got from looking from the left side, okay? And then from there it might buy till our resistance point. If it doesn't reverse and sell to these zones, then it might continue going to the upside. So let's, for further views of what will happen in the market, let's just zoom in. If you look, the market kind of looks overbought, and when the market is overbought, we have to go back to our previous resistance and support zones. So I'm not doubting this. Definitely we are selling here in the GBPUSD. We are selling till our previous support or resistance zone. Because now you can see clearly that the market made a breakout from this trend. We have a trend on the 1 hour time frame, and this trend got broken out of here. So when it got broken out of, it's clearly visible that there's a change of direction here. When we go to our 5 minutes, you can clearly see there was a change of direction here. You have to look deeply so that you know and you are sure of what you're analyzing. For a good view of the market, I recommend using TradingView on your mobile, not your MetaTrader. You have to analyze on TradingView, not MetaTrader. You analyze on MetaTrader just to see. You can do the analysis on MetaTrader 5 after analyzing on your TradingView, after seeing your overall market direction for the upcoming week. But then this is how I view this. This is how I view GBPUSD for next week. Next week we are actually going to be selling this GBPUSD. I see sell some GBPUSD. Let's go to the left like this. Want to see. So this is another major support and resistance zone that the market has been touching for multiple times, meaning this level is also a strong level on the M5, and we might see the market retracing till this level before it continues going down. As you can see right here, there's a lot of things to look at when you're trading. You just have to open your eyes, because price action is your own eyes. You have to use your eyes to see what is going to happen in the market, so that you don't flop, you don't trip, And this is the other pattern I see. This is the other pattern I see on the M5 time frame. And as we unzoom, everything will be much clearer. And like I said, we'll be taking sales on this GBPUSD, so we can wait for an entry. You can wait for an entry around you can wait to look for an entry around this zone, around 1.31066, and then your first take profit will be around 1.30k, 1.30, 1.30 cents actually. And then your second take profit, you're going to aim for 1.29. You're going to aim for 1.29046 or any of your choice. But then, yeah, this is what you can aim for. This is the trade with a good risk-reward ratio that I see on GBPJPY. It's the possible trade for the upcoming week on GBPJPY. And our stop loss we have to put it above there, which is only 40 pips. We're losing only 40 pips to gain like 202 pips. Our risk to reward ratio is 4.99, so that's a good risk to reward ratio, and we are looking to gain a fair enough percentage, because we are gaining like 1.54% while we are only losing 0.31%. So this is another good trade on the GBPJPY. Now we move on to I made to analyze your USD. Actually, this Euro USD, I'm not going to analyze Euro USD. I'll just go and analyze gold, since we don't have much time. Let's zoom out of gold. We are analyzing the gold. We first zoom out, you just, and then currently the market, I see that it's at it was a major it was a support and resistance level that was being respected over a lot, but it has been respected much times. At much times it was respected as a resistance zone, because if you look from the left, we have I want to show you. We have one, yeah. If you come here, if you come here, you can see that we have one, let's put on another one. We have one, and two, We have another touch here, another resisting touch here. Which also makes this a strong resistance point. But the market, it looks like it's forming some sort of continuation pattern around them. So let's just zoom in and see what's going on. Gold, come on. Not much of a clear structure on gold, but then we can see what's going on, what's actually going on here. And then what I see here is that what the market might do here is that it's currently trending to the upside, and it made here we had this pattern, and then we broke out of it. So we have to look for our previous support zone where the market had retraced. And let me delete this. What I see on gold is that the market is going to come retrace around here. It might still come around this zone for more retracements. On the zone, and we're going to have another buy trade from here. Then from there can have like this almost. Just like that. So we made a short retracement on gold to that zone, and then from there we are going to shoot up from here. We might shoot up from here to the resistance I just drew now. To up here. This is what I see on gold. I want to change the visibility of this zone actually. want to change this one's visibility. But it's fine. Okay. Just delete it. Let me remove it actually. But then this is what I see on gold for this week. But then I want to check something before we can confirm our thoughts here. So as you can see that previously the market around here is the 2. Yeah, but you see from this from around here there was previously there was what do you call this? From around this area there was a support zone. As you can see previously there was a support zone and it got respected multiple times, like from 1, 2, and I think this is the third touch, which is actually going to be holding this. It will hold from here to the upside till our resistance. So as you can see that this zone was being supported from all this time in the market. When it gets here, most of the times it starts consolidating. And from last week we started creating like this is a consolidation pattern. What comes after a consolidation pattern is always a breakout, and this pattern to me does look out like a bullish pattern, bullish continuation pattern. Why do I say a bullish continuation pattern? Because previously we had this other one right here and we caught this move from last week to from there to there. Now we are catching it from here up to there in forms of a continuation. And if this happens to play out the way we are trying to enter it, we are going to be getting a huge return on this trade. We'll be getting like you know that gold has a lot of value of pips, so we'll be getting around 3,134 pips, which is 1.61% gain. And risk to reward ratio, our risk to reward ratio is 1:10.08, and we are risking only 311 pips, which is 0.16%. So this is a good trade. I see this as one of the best trades. Looks simple, purely simple, and this is the gold. And that's how I analyzed it for you. Very simple, nice and easy. Hope you understood how I trade. But then this video wasn't actually for teaching you how to analyze and stuff like that. This was just a video for a heads up on what you can expect this upcoming week on the gold. And GBPJPY are right here, as you can see. The GBPJPY there might be errors here. there might be errors here. But yes, this is what I suggest you can do when you're trading next week. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then I'm glad. Make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos like this, and stay tuned for more. You must join my free signals WhatsApp group. Link is in my bio, and my free Telegram channel. The link is also in the bio if you want more updates like this, cause this is definitely what might happen on the upcoming week, with no doubt. And you just if you like the video, you just probably leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment what you would love to see next on the channel. This is the gold GBPJPY, and we also have the GBPUSD. So that's all the pairs I analyzed for you guys today, and hopefully you guys will also go to the market and look onto these pairs and see how they're going to play out this upcoming week. Hope you found this video very helpful, guys, and thanks for watching. Just hit the like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Morgzila FX Trading, your mentor, signing out.